So I theoretically understand the 11 dimensions, the 25 states, but earlier in one of the two-way videos, you said that our consciousness, like our egos, would become irrelevant. The whole concept of I would change, and that hasn't hit me quite yet. How can I use that information to make my I consciousness irrelevant?
So, with this more and more power manifestation, already I am seeing your idea about your I has started expanding. See, from the day you came and now, don't you see so many new possibilities of your life?
Some new possibilities, definitely. But I guess I'm expecting
that
something even bigger.
itself, you will start perceiving only if your I expands. Not otherwise. If the I doesn't expand. See, when I said yesterday, all of you be your own boss. How many of you decided at least next 1 year I am going to be my own boss? All of you had I expansion. Otherwise, you are not going to be thinking of this. You did not think till now. Now, even if you are able to conceive it, perceive it, it is possible. Your I has changed. So the expansion of I and expansion of possibilities is, the expansion of possibilities is the symptom that expansion of I has happened.
Okay, so in order to continue the process or make it expand even faster or further, would you say is that just through manifesting powers, or is there something else that we could do?
I think manifesting powers is the best short way.
Yeah,
Manifesting powers hits at your lower inner image very strongly. It hits your lower inner image so strongly, it never gets back to its seat. And your lower inner image only tries its best that you don't manifest powers. How many of you saw your lower inner image is really suffering that you are manifesting powers? One part of you itself, no, it cannot be. Something is going on, which is, And see, that is the funny thing. If somebody tells you are a fool, all that, you believe that so obediently. And you really even start experiencing it. But if I say you are Sadashiva and all that, no. No, it's really. See, for example, if I say, you stupid, how agitated and active you become responding to that word. But you don't become that agitated and active when I say you are Sadashiva. No, you need to look in how you play the game. Many times, your own part. See, I'll give you one more example. If some astrologer tells you, even randomly, even in some newspaper or website, next 1 month it's going to be all bad time for you. Immediately you don't even question his second time, his credibility or anything, and you start believing and literally making all the bad things happen for you. But if I say any good thing and it is going to happen next 1 year, 1 month, you question that 10,000 times and you want 2,000 evidences about my credibility. Come on, how many of you accept what I am saying? Raise your hand. If I say something bad is going to happen, you don't even bother about my credibility. And you don't want to know about how many times I predicted bad things will happen and how many times it became reality, how many times it did not become. You don't want to know any of that. And you know it is going to happen to you. Now you start preparing for all the bad things, and if it is not happening, you know how to project it and all that. But if I say Sadashivatvam and good things are going to happen, you want all my A to C to D to all biodata and my credibility, how many times I made it happen and how many times I did not, and the percentage. Oh, if it is 98.2%, I think that 1.8% is me. And people like me, I don't know, what is your name, what is my name, how many times you came, how many times I came, I think, let's see. See the funny thing? I tell you, ultimately, your inner image and the toxic mental setup, that logic need to be drilled. Of course, which I am doing, which will be more fast if you eat powers, means start manifesting. And manifesting powers is pure Advaitic sadhana. What you are doing? You just remember, let Swamiji flow through, let him manifest. More than that, what other Advaitic sadhana you know? Disappearing into the existence. Because by now, most of you know you cannot have any idea about me. You cannot have an idea about me. The moment you have, within next 2 seconds, I will break that. I think 2 seconds is too much time. So understand, breaking the lower inner image by more and more of Advaitic power manifestation is the best you can do in your life.